All right, y'all. Here we go. Another one of them taste tests. Today's taste test is going to be like a lunch taste test where we have Sleepy T's fried bologna sandwich with some chips. Now, this fried bologna sandwich is going to be on a grilled bread, but it looks really good. Right there, right there. Look at that. With some chips on the side. That's going to be awesome. All right, let's give it a quick taste test. Here we go. Look at that. What kind of cheese is in here? Looks like
White American cheese.
white American cheese. A couple of chips on there. I had to scoop those off. All right, here we go. We can see. Oh, wait a second. Forgot. We got to give it the Blake sniff test. Ooh, smells like cheese. Smells like grilled bread. Smells like a grilled cheese. So here we go. All right, y'all ready? Here you go. Mmm. The cheese is all melty. The bread is all crunchy. I got juices flowing out my mouth.
What about that butter though?
Tasting pretty good right now. Yeah, that's tasting pretty good. Let me get another bite in real quick. Ooh, look at that cheese right there. You want to see that cheese? It's in right there. Mm-hmm. All right, one more bite. Oh. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. I think she set me up. She made this one. It was all like, oh, you got to give me a review. So she must have made it with a bunch of extra love in there. This is really good. We're going to give it a thumbs up. So that's Sleepy Tea in Riverview, Florida. So, y'all want to come get y'all grilled cheese? She charges $8 a sandwich. But it's going to be really good and worth that $8. And she'll throw some chips on the side for you. All right. We'll see y'all later.